So here we are going to demonstrate about a vertical axis wind turbine system. The main components of our project are wind turbine, and there is a permanent magnet DC motor. So whenever the wind blows, the wind turbine starts to revolve in a circular motion. So when the wind turbine is going to revolve in a circular motion, so there is an metal plate connected to an wheel which acts as a flange, and that is connected to an shaft rod of an permanent magnet DC motor. So generally this permanent magnet DC motor is going to rotate the gearbox. So generally there is a spur gearbox over here which is able to rotate the which is used to convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. So the feeding is given to an permanent magnet DC motor, so which acts as a dynamo over here. So this dynamo consists of a magnet and armature which is going to generate the voltage. So this generated voltage is given as an input to the charging circuit. So coming to the charging circuit, here you can see DB107 bridge rectifier which acts as a polarity converter. So how is this polarity converter is utilized? So when the wind turbine is going to rotate clockwise, you can see the voltage has been generated. So when it is going to rotate at another direction, it is going to also generate the voltage. So in this manner, so if it moves clockwise or also anti-clockwise, it is going to generate the voltage. So that is done with the help of the DB107 bridge rectifier, 1000 microfarads capacitor, and here you can see an diode which is used to not get reverse current into the circuit, and these are the two terminals to which you can connect the battery. And here you can see an LED which is acting as an indicator whether the dynamo is generating the voltage or not. So this is how the entire system is been fabricated by using an mild steel 1-inch square pipe. So and we have used an 4-inch PVC pipe and cutted as an wind blades, and the dynamo is being generated and stored into the charging circuit. So this is how the vertical axis wind turbine is being fabricated. Thank you.